Now, good morning, students. And yesterday in the computer subject, we have discussed the different number systems. We have discussed number systems, decimal, octal, binary, and hexadecimal. We have discussed all these four different types of number systems thoroughly. We have discussed what is base, what are the integers included in this. Now today I am going to discuss the addition, means binary addition. So for binary addition there are certain rules, one table that we must know. A, B, A plus B is equal to C. A and B are the possible values and A plus B equal to C. I am representing that what the outcome will come. So if both are 0 and 0, then 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 0, 1, then 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. If 1 and 0, then 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. If 1 and 1, then 1 plus 1 is equal to 10. These are the four rules that we must know. 0 and 0, 0 will come. 0 and 1, 1 will come. 1 and 0, 1 will come. 1 and 1, 10 will come. How 10 is coming? 10 is coming only due to the representation. 1 and 1, 2 is there, and in binary representation of 2 is 1 and 0. That's why we have written 1 0. So we should not read it as 10, we should read it as 2, and we should read it as 1 or 0. Now how we will apply this concept in the binary addition? Few examples that we are having. Now if two numbers 1 0 0 1 and 1 0 1 0, then for adding we will follow the simple basic rule like 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 10. So this will be the answer of this question. Now like the next question, please note it down, and please make sure that whatever the examples I am solving here, you should write it somewhere in your copy. 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1. Now simple, 0 and 1 1, 0 and 1 1, 0 and 1 1, 1 and 0 1. Like this we will solve the questions. Now the third question, now in this question 1 and 1 10. 10 means we will write 0 and 1 will go to the carry. So we will write 0 and 1 will come upside. Then after 1 and 1 10, 10 and 1 11. 11 means we will write 1 and 1 here. 1 and 1 10. 10 means 0 and 1 we will write here. 1 and 1 10. 10 and 1 11. 1 and 1 we will write here. 1 and 1 10. So 10 we will write here. Note down this. Now a few more questions from the exercises. 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 plus 1 0 1 0 1 0. Now try to solve this question. In this question, 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 and 1 10. 10 means 0 and 1. Then 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 and 1 10 means 0 and then 1 then 10. Note down this question. Now the next question. One one any number like this we can add. Number may be of any length. This doesn't affect the addition rule. 1 0 1 1 and 1 10. 10 means 0 and 1 we will write here. 1 and 1 10. We will write 0 here and 1 here. 1 and 1 10. 10 and 1 11. This is the answer of this question. Please note it down. One zero one zero one 0 0 same rule we will apply in this. Think about this. 1 1 10. 1 and 1 again 10. 1 and 1 10. 10 and 1 11. Then it is 1 and this is 1. This is the answer of this question. Now I am going to give you the next question. One zero 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 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 1. The bigger number we will write upside or downside we can also write. This will not affect the addition, but it is a good practice to write always the big number upside, and then after we can apply the rules. 1 and 1 10. 10 means 0 and 1. Then it will be 1. 1 and 1 10. 1 1 and 1 10. 10 and 1 11. And then 1, it is 1 1 1 0 0 1. This will be the answer of this question. I hope you understand this concept. Now few homework, please note down. One zero zero 1 0 1 0 1 plus 1 1 0 you have to add this question. Now the second question, please note down. 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 plus 0 1 0 1 0 1. This is the second question. Now the next topic, is binary subtraction. This binary subtraction is also having a rule. The rule is a b a minus b is equal to c. Now in this 0 and 0, 1 and 0, 1 minus 1, and 0, 1. This last one is the important concept. 0 and 0, 0 will be there. 1 minus 0, 1 is there. 1 minus 1, 0 is there. This is simple. 0 minus 1, how 1 is coming? 1 will come because we will borrow the value from the left hand side, and we will hand over it to the right hand side. So in this we will borrow 10. 10 is what? 10 in the binary representation, it is 2. So we will borrow 2, and 2 minus 1, 1 will be there. That's why 1 is coming. Now few questions over this. Now the first question, 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 0, 1 minus 0 1, 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 0 1, 1 minus 1 0. So first, this is the answer of this question. After writing this, note down the second question. Now in this question we can see, if we will borrow the number, then 10 will come here. 10 is what? 10 is the binary representation of 2. 2 minus 1, 1. Now here, if it is 2, it will be 1 less than 2, so it will be 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Here 0. Here 1. So this will be the answer of this question. Note it down. One zero zero, now in this we can easily understand 1 minus 0, 1, 1 minus 1, 0, 0 minus 0, 0. Now here we will borrow the number, so it will come 10. 10 means 2, 2 minus 1, 1, and here it will be 0, so 0 minus 0, 0. So this will be the answer of this question. Note it down. One one zero zero, 1 0 0 1 minus 0 1 1 0 0 1 1. Now in this question, 1 minus 0 1, then it will be here, it will be here. We will borrow the number, so it will be 2, 2 minus 1 1, 1 minus 1 0, and here it is 0, 0 minus 0 0 0. Here again we will borrow the number, so 2, 2 minus 1 1, here it is 0, so again we will borrow the number, 2 minus 1, here it is 1, and it is 0, so it is 0. Now note down the answer of this question. Now few homework as I am giving. Note down the homework. 1 1 1 minus 0 0 1. This is the first one. And the second one, 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1. These are the two questions. 1 1 1 0 1 0. This is very simple. In this question you have to borrow the number from here to here, and then after you have to solve. So these two are your homework. Try to solve it. Binary multiplication. Binary multiplication is also having a rule, chart. A, B, A into B is equal to C. And in this chart, we must know the rules. So first is 0 and 0. 0 will come. Then 0 and 1. Then 1 and 0. Then 1 and 1. So this is the table, and in this like addition and in subtraction, there was a difference at the end. So no difference is there. This is very simple and this is very common. As you are doing in arithmetics in a decimal format, this is like that. So you must know the rule of this table, and then after we can proceed for the questions. Now our first question is 101. First thing you must know that in the binary multiplication, no difference is there. We will follow the same rule as we are doing in the decimal format. We will multiply the number, and then after we will add the number. Addition of the binary number is the addition of the binary digits, as I have just shown to you. Now 1 1s are 1, 1 0s are 0, 1 1s are 1. 1 1s are 1, 1 0s are 0, 1 1s are 1. Now you have to add this number 1 1 1 1. So finally this is the answer of this question. I hope you understand. Simply you will multiply the number as you are doing in decimal format, and then after you will add the number as you are doing in decimal format. In this, note down the question. Now the next question. Multiply it by 1, multiply by 0, multiply by 1, then add the number 10, 10, then 1 will come here, 10 and 1 11, 1, then 1 will come here, 1 and 1 10, then 1 will come here, then 10. So this is the answer of this question. Simply what we have done, we have multiplied the number as we are doing in decimal format, and then after we have added the number as we are doing in decimal format. This is very simple. Now to homeworks I am giving, please note down. One zero one into 011, and the second one is 1011 into 101. Now these are the two homeworks that you have to solve. Thank you for today. Try to solve these questions.